Construction of triangles, Part 4. Construction 3. To construct a triangle, if its perimeter, base and the angles which include the base are given. Example, construct triangle ABC such that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 11.3 cm, measure of angle B is equal to 70 degrees, measure of angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Example, construct triangle ABC such that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 11.3 cm, measure of angle B is equal to 70 degrees, measure of angle C is equal to 60 degrees. First of all, we will draw the rough figure. Perimeter of the triangle is AB plus BC plus CA. So, perimeter of triangle ABC is given as 11.3 centimeters. We are taking this perimeter as PQ. PQ is a segment which is denoting AB plus BC plus CA. So, PQ we are taking as 11.3 centimeters. So, we are taking PQ as 11.3 centimeters. That is otherwise the perimeter of triangle ABC. The perimeter of triangle ABC is represented by PQ, which is 11.3 centimeters. Now, measure of angle B is equal to 70 degrees is given. Measure of angle C is equal to 60 degrees. We have drawn PQ. So, now we have to find out measure of angle APB and measure of angle AQC. So, we will write the analysis now. Points P and Q are taken on line BC such that PB is equal to AB, CQ is equal to AC. Therefore, PQ is equal to PB plus BC plus CQ, that is equal to AB plus BC plus AC, that is equal to 11.3 centimeters. Now in triangle PBA, PB is equal to BA according to our construction. Therefore, now applying isosceles triangle theorem here, you will get angle APB is congruent to angle PAB because the angles opposite to congruent sides are having the same measures because of the isosceles triangle theorem. So, measure of angle APB is equal to measure of angle PAB. Opposite to side PB we have the angle PAB and opposite to side BA we have the angle APB. So, now we get angle APB is equal to angle PAB because of the isosceles triangle theorem. Now, in triangle PAB, one of the exterior angles, here the exterior angle which is shown as is angle ABC. So, we can apply the remote interior angles theorem. Measure of the exterior angle will be equal to sum of the measures of the two remote interior angles. Remote interior angles are angle APB and angle PAB. So, exterior angle is angle ABC. So, measure of angle APB plus measure of angle PAB is equal to measure of angle ABC, but angle B is given to be 70 degrees. So, measure of angle ABC is 70 degrees. Therefore, angle APB will be equal to measure of angle PAB will be equal to combining 1 and 2. Because from 1 we are getting measure of angle APB is equal to measure of angle PAB. So, if you are substituting measure of angle APB in measure of angle PAB, you will get, in that equation you will get measure of angle PAB plus measure of angle PAB is equal to 70 degrees. So, 2 PAB is 70 degrees, therefore, measure of angle PAB is 35 degrees. Similarly, we can find that measure of angle CQA is equal to measure of angle CAQ is equal to 30 degrees. So, now we can do the fair figure. Now, draw segment PQ 11.3 centimeters. Keep the protractor at P. Take 35 degrees. Just now we have found out. ray making angle of 35 degrees at point P. And show the arrowhead for the ray. Show measure of angle P is 35 degrees. Keep the protractor at Q and take 30 degrees. Draw another ray making an angle of 30 degrees at point Q. Name the point of intersection of the two rays as A. Before that, mark measure of angle Q to be 30 degrees. Now name the point of intersection of the two rays as A. Now we are going to draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AP and segment AQ. First of all, for segment AP, we will draw the perpendicular bisector. Take more than half of the distance of AP in the mind and draw an arc above the segment AP and below the segment AP. Now keep one end of the compass at A and cut these arcs. Now you get 2 points of intersection. You join with the line. Line is having arrowheads on both the ends. Here small arrowheads are seen, so you have to put noticeable arrowheads. Now this is a perpendicular bisector, so you will be showing the equal parts as well as the right angle. You have drawn the perpendicular bisector of segment AP now. Similarly, draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AQ. Keep one end of the compass at A. Take more than half of the distance of AQ in the mind and draw arcs above and below AQ. Now keep the sharpened end at Q and cut those arcs. You have to see the arcs are cutting. If they are not cutting, go to the original position and extend the arc. Name the points as B and C where it is meeting PQ. Now we have two perpendicular bisectors drawn. They are meeting PQ at 2 points. Show them as B and C. So name the points as B and C respectively where the perpendicular bisectors intersect line PQ. So you have named the points as B and C, where the perpendicular bisectors intersect the segment PQ. Now finally you have to join A and B, and also you have to join A and C with line segments. Now triangle ABC is the required triangle. You have to show measure of angle B as 70 degrees and measure of angle C as 60 degrees because it is given the question. Here B is angle ABC and C is angle ACB. So show the measures. Then finally write triangle ABC is the required triangle. So we have constructed triangle ABC. So we understood to construct a triangle if its perimeter, base and the angles which include the base are given. This is construction 3. In the previous videos we had seen construction 1, then construction 2A, then construction 2B, then construction 3. The construction 3 is given as part 4 for you in this video. Now problem set 4. Question number 3. The perimeter of a triangle is 14.4 centimeters and the ratio of lengths of its side is 2:3:4. Construct the triangle. So here we have to first write the analysis. Let the given triangle be triangle ABC. The triangle's name is not given, so we are taken as triangle ABC. And we are given AB is to BC is to AC is equal to 2:3:4. Let us take x to be the common multiple. Therefore, AB will be equal to 2x centimeters, BC will be equal to 3x centimeters, and AC is equal to 4x centimeters. And perimeter is equal to 14.4 is given to you. Therefore, AB plus BC plus AC, because it is a perimeter of a triangle, you have to add all the lengths of the sides. So, AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 14.4 centimeters. Now we know what is AB, what is BC and what is AC. AB is 2x centimeters, BC is 3x centimeters and AC is 4x centimeters. We'll substitute the values here. So therefore you'll get 2x plus 3x plus 4x. 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 14.4 centimeters. Perimeter is given to be 14.4 centimeters. Therefore, we get AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 14.4 centimeters. Now, we are substituting the values of AB, BC and AC. So, we are getting 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 14.4 centimeters. Now, add the left hand sides. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. So, 2x plus 3x plus 4x will be 9x. Therefore, 9x is equal to 14.4 centimeters. You have to find out the value of x. First of all, you are getting 9x is equal to 14.4 centimeters. 9x means 9 multiplied by x. So, when you are bringing 9 to the other side of the equal to sign, multiplication, the operation multiplication becomes division. Therefore, x will be 14.4 divided by 9. That will be equal to 1.6. So, we are getting the value of x to be 1.6. We know AB is equal to 2x centimeters, BC is equal to 3x centimeters, and AC is equal to 4x centimeters. So instead of x, you can substitute 1.6 everywhere. So you'll get AB is equal to 2 multiplied by 1.6, that is equal to 3.2 centimeters. BC is equal to 3 multiplied by x, that means 3 multiplied by 1.6, that is equal to 4.8 centimeters. And AC is equal to 4x, instead of x you have to put 1.6. So AC is equal to 4 multiplied by 1.6, that is equal to 6.4 centimeters. Now you can construct triangle ABC. We know the values of AB, BC and AC. So we can construct the triangle. First of all, you have to draw the rough figure. I have taken AC as 6.4 centimeters, that I have taken as the base. Then AB is 3.2 centimeters and BC is 4.8 centimeters in the rough figure. So accordingly you have to draw the fair figure. We have drawn segment AC as to be 6.4 centimeters. Length of AC we have taken as 6.4 and drawn. Now we have to draw AB. So take the compass, measure 3.2 centimeters in the ruler. But before that you will have to label the segment as AC and mark the length as 6.4 centimeters. Now take the compass, keep it on the ruler, measure 3.2 centimeters. Then keep the sharpened end of the compass at A and draw an arc. Now keep the sharpened end at C without changing the length. Now measure BC as 4.8 centimeters. Because BC is not 3.2 centimeters, it is 4.8 centimeters. So we have to measure it in the ruler. Keep the sharpened end at C and cut this arc. Now the point of intersection of the arcs will be B. Now we have to join AB and BC. Now label the diagram. Now length of AB is 3.2 centimeters. You have to label it. Label length of BC as 4.8 centimeters. Now we have constructed triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. it is very much needed to write the final statement. Don't forget to write the analysis. It also carries marks. In construction 3 we have analysis. Even for the previous construction I have taught the analysis.